Okay, I'm going to explain how to do lash layering. So of course, apply your gel pad and tape as you normally would. Then you're going to take another gel pad and fully cover from base to tip all of the natural lashes. And using the tips of your tweezers, you're going to gently pull the lid just a little bit so you can see all the layers. And using your tip of your tweezer, you're going to gently pull through the top 2 layers of lashes. And then you're going to put another gel pad, fully cover the natural lashes again, and you're going to use the tips of your tweezers again to pull through just the very top layer this time only, just so that there are enough natural lashes for all of the layers. And then you're going to go ahead and lash that entire top layer, and then you can take off that gel pad once you're done. And then you're going to lash that middle layer and take the gel pad off when you're done. And then you're going to lash all the rest of the lashes on the bottom layer and then take that gel pad off. And then you are fully done your set. And this was ours that we did.